Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. JoshTalks is hiring for Content Curator IIT JEE. Job location is Gurgaon, Haryana. This is an immediate joining job. Role is Content Curator IIT JEE. It's a full-time job. Here they have given a note. Apply only if you have experience with IIT JEE preparation. Let us get to know about JoshTalks here. Josh is on a mission to unlock human potential by creating tools that effectively nurture each individual's potential. We started out in 2015, giving Bharat's youth access to relatable role models in regional languages through the JoshTalks platform. As the next step, we expanded to provide affordable employability, enhancing skills through our Android application, Josh Skills. Our flagship offering, the Spoken English course, has generated strong user feedback with industry-leading course completion rates, unlocking employment opportunities for our users. Let's check the roles and responsibilities. As a content curator, this role requires you to have a complete understanding of what goes into JEE preparation. Curate content for the JEE focused JoshTalks YouTube channel in a manner that resonates with our engineering focused audience through the use of storytelling, primarily with the age group of 14 to 20 or aspiring JEE students. This role includes visiting IITs, NITs and engineering colleges across the country to sports speakers, IIT toppers and IIT educators and shoot a certain number of videos on monthly basis. You will rigorously scout, work with and train our IIT JEE speakers, especially in the areas of voice modulation and body language, and direct and improve their own camera performance. Identify contemporary JEE trends and personalities including emerging cultural conversations. Identify storytelling narrative, characters and the qualities that make upskilling interesting. Research for potential topics for JEE speakers. Design and execute a content strategy to increase views and engagements, like comments, AWT, shares and subscriptions of our IIT JEE focused JoshTalks JEE channel. Work with YouTube Manager, other team members to manage content distribution on YouTube and other social media platforms to achieve set targets. Support the creative team to plan and develop content style and layout, analyze user engagement metrics and suggest strategy changes accordingly. Collaborate with cross-functional teams for new projects and assignments as and when required. Collaborate with brand and communication teams to amplify and grow YouTube channels. To develop the channel as a platform for the best of IIT engineering talents to tell their stories and to lean on when they need a pinch of inspiration in their life. The requirements for this role are: must have prepared and attempted the IIT JEE, JEE engineering focused content curator plus storyteller. Someone with experience in JEE preparation or BTech background is a good fit. Must have written, verbal and spoken knowledge of Hindi and English language, should be good with online research and is well aware of local and global ongoings. Need to have experience in the field of content creation, preferably has worked and assisted people in talk curation. Good knowledge of script writing, get shit done attitude with a passion for spreading great stories and ideas, passionate about the vision of JoshTalks, which is to unlock human potential through the power of storytelling. Understanding of the mathematics of YouTube Studio. You have to constantly seek to understand and stay current on YouTube and video trends in order to continually improve your work through learning from successful examples. While writing the script, it should understood how YouTube algorithm works. There are some other details here. This is a full-time role based in our Gurgaon office. We actively seek teammates from diverse backgrounds and only hire extremely driven people. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. After that, this Google form will open. You have to fill your details, name, email ID, contact number. You have attached your resume. Then please share your English writing samples. Did you appeared in JEE exams? Are you still preparing for IIT JEE exams? How soon can you join us? Current CTC, expected CTC. So that means the students who have prepared for JEE exams in past 1 or 2 years, they are also eligible to apply. There is no compulsion of graduation, so 12th pass students can also apply and diploma holders also. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends and for more latest job updates चैनल को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.